Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is about a very popular Nigerian soup called OHA soup. So if you like OHA soup and you want to join me in my own method of cooking OHA soup, you stay tuned. You never know, my method might be different from your method and you might actually learn something different. Okay, so this is assorted beef. I had already steamed this one because the meat is actually a strong type, so I had steamed it before and I want to add my beef. I didn't steam together because by the time this is done, this might be over tendered, so I didn't want that to happen. And the water you're seeing here, the stock, it actually came out from this. I didn't add any water. If you observe me the way I do my steaming, I don't add water to my steaming. So okay, so this is onga for soup. It has different flavors. It has for stew, but this is for soup. So I'll just have to add 1 tablespoon, then 1 seasoning cube, right? Little salt because I'd already steamed the other one, remember, and I added all of that. So this is ginger and garlic. I like this a lot. It's optional. You might say you wouldn't want to use it for your soup. For myself, I like it, so. A little crayfish. I like to add crayfish while steaming. I would still add again by the time I'm adding water for my stock because I'm still going to add water. This is just for steaming. All right, and then this is yellow pepper. Sorry, blended. So just to make the meat spicy. So I'm going to place it on fire to steam very well, and then I'll add the remaining part of the remaining proteins that I'm going to be using. That's dry fish and stockfish. Okay guys, so I'm done steaming. We start the cooking by adding, this is banga, that's palm fruit juice, or you can call it extract. I think you're free to call it. So let me add this quantity for now because I still have the stock from the beef. Okay, so I'm going to allow it to boil and then we'll continue from there. Let's see. Already boiled, so this is stockfish. This is dried fish. It's already been washed. Right, and this is assorted this is my stock from the meats. I'm just going to add little. I'm going to use it for something else. Here's the remaining pepper. The pepper is actually very hot, so I'm going to put all. So adding more crayfish. Remember I added crayfish while I was steaming the meat. So just add a little more. Yeah, 2 cubes, no cubes. Little salt. Just have to be careful with salt because I still have to add onga. This is salty too, so just a little. So start to taste for salt. Okay. It's not enough, so I need to add more of this. Alright. This pepper is really so nice if you're using assorted meat, the pepper or goat meat. Okay, so I'll cover it to boil for some minutes and then we'll add the remaining stuff. Okay, so this is cocoyam paste for thickening. So I'm gonna add this. This is the ogiri. It's a local spice, or you can call it locust beans. So I'm just gonna melt it with water. The stock. So just melt. So this is it. So we're gonna take it. It's there. And you're allowed to cook for some minutes to melt the thickener. Okay guys, it's almost done, and it's time to add the 2 major leaves for this kind of soup. One is UZIZA leaf. So I will allow it to sit for 1 minute before adding the OHA leaf, because this leaf is a bit strong, so it needs to cook a little so that the spice or the flavor can come out. Then we'll add the OHA. Okay, time to add OHA leaf. This is the OHA leaf. I hope you know how to peel and handle your OHA, or prepare your OHA for your soup. Different people have different ways or method of peeling. Some people peel without allowing it to have the head. In fact, some people even don't even wash it. They say if you wash it, it makes your soup bitter or something. I don't know, but hey, I wash even with salt. So you just use the method that is okay for you. Wow, man, this kitchen smells nice, really. So the soup is ready. Whoosh. Ooh. See it? It's ready. So I'll just turn off the heat because I don't like my leaf to actually discolor. I don't like the discoloration. I like it green. So you see our OHA soup, very thick, nice. Woohoo! A little Septum, stay there. Wow, so guys, this delicious OHA soup is ready, and I just dished it with some Vita. You can have it with any one of your choice. How I wish you guys are here. Anyways, if you can, call me on phone and I'll give you my address. You can join me. Please guys, if you're just visiting my channel for the first time and you like what I just did, please, I'm begging you, subscribe. Just hit the red subscribe button there and subscribe to my channel. Turn on the bell so you would always get my notification, and share my videos. Give me a thumbs up, like, comment, share my videos with your friends, or bring new people to my channel. Bring your friends to my channel. I promise you, you will not regret being on this channel. Thank you so much. See you in another video. Bye from Mother Gold.
Subscribe button below this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Then click on the bell icon for notifications. Thank you very much and God bless you.